From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. She's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. But maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. That we're not who we used to be.
So now it's recording. Hi!
Hey boys.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh my god. And then what you just... Damn, I feel like a vlogger.
You know?
We're here at 𝓂𝓉𝓃𝓀𝓈's housewarming gift.
I'm holding a 500 quid camera
that I'm about to break. I just broke their razor bag when we were in the supermarket. But that's Ling's fault for filling it up.
Why don't you take
So
the
heavy.
video of the views?
The view is me.
The view is me.
Ooh. Damn. Look at that. Alright. Starting the house tour now. We've got ourselves a lovely little storage closet, I think. Followed by some extremely exciting utility closet as well. A washing machine and a drying in the same section. Then we've got a tenant studiously awaiting me. I don't know. Lovely. And we've got one of the bedrooms. Lovely little section. Place where you can put TV, some clothes to hang, and a beautiful view. Beautiful view. You can see Canary Wharf in the distance. You can see my house down there. Oh, how nice. And then the bathroom that Jin has just cleansed of a smell. Very nice. Turn off the lights to save eco-friendly behaviour, of course. Then the master bedroom, again with a spectacular view of the lovely area of Elephant and Castle. Who doesn't love a bit of that? And in the distance you can see Canary Wharf and Bank over there. Well, Bank's not really in the shot, but you get the idea. Then the master bedroom itself, big double bed with a whole lot of storage, another place for a TV, some cute movie nights going on. And then the ensuite bathroom, fully decked out with a beautiful shower, 2 sinks, and again, a bathtub as well. Best of both worlds if needed. Turn off the lights again, eco-warrior. Until we move on to the main living area where we've got 𝓂𝓉𝓃𝓀𝓈 unpacking.
Pretty windy now, I'm gonna...
Disaster struck in the villa. Tensions are high. Lovely kitchen area. Oh.
Super small.
And the lovely automatic windows. All the automatic windows with all the plushies, especially Patty enjoying the view of the non-existent TV, which is great. But I'm sure they'll be there one soon. Sorry. And now we finally enter into the winter garden, which isn't really a garden, but it has a cheeky little punching bag, a couch or a sofa, and some more stunning views from the skyline of London. You can see the Shard from it, and bank properly. And that concludes the lovely apartment tour.